In this video, we are going to talk about the newest function of TEXTJOIN, which can easily replace the concatenate and AND function, especially if we are talking about the text like this. So let's say the text is split into 3 columns and we just want to join it. In concatenate, it involves a lot of steps, and even if we use AND function, it will take us a lot of time. So the latest function, the most convenient one, is TEXTJOIN, or let's join it already. TEXTJOIN is the function name, equals to TEXTJOIN, and we just select all of these. Equals to TEXTJOIN, the delimiter. That means after each word, what do you want to place it? What do you want to place after each word? We want to put a space, comma. Ignore empty. If there are empty cells, yes, ignore the empty cells, comma. Let's start selecting the text, but we don't need to do it separately for each. We can select a complete range and hit enter, and you are good to go. It will easily put a space with each. But here in this scenario, you can see that we have double spaces. That's because the right function should have 8 characters, and now it's fine. So this is how the TEXTJOIN function works in Excel. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.